In this video, I'm going to show you the best price action indicator, which is definitely the king into the forex, crypto, and the stock market. If we talk about the price action, the key levels, then there is no other best indicator than this one. So first of all, let me tell you, this is my personal indicator, and this is a private indicator. It will be shared privately. You can book the lifetime license of this indicator by contacting me on Telegram or WhatsApp. The links are given in the description of this video below. Okay, now you can see that we have some red and dotted green lines, and as well as you can see on the chart bank buying order and bank selling order. So these are the key areas from where the banks can possibly come into action. So for example, right now this is the gold 5-minute chart, and you can see the market comes to the bank buying order, and this indicator predicts this thing. And now you can see that also we have the green dotted lines, and you can see the simply boost from that level. And the second thing that you can see, the dotted lines, they are basically acting as the reversals. Okay, so these are the reversal zones, but the bank levels are quite strong. Okay, so if you are good in scalping, I mean, if you can manage, like if you can take quick profits, like it hit the red level, and these red levels and green levels never repaints, they are completely fixed. Okay, they never repaints. You can see the market hit that level and then it went down, it hit that level, went down, and also you can see a green level here. So let me show you its performance on any other things like in forex. So for example, like on AUD CAD, you can see we have just 5 minutes ago we have a bullish candle from the green level, so it becomes your buying entry. Okay, similarly this is your selling zone, and this is selling zone, and this is also your buying zone. So this is how you need to trade using this indicator. So for example, look at this. This is AUD CHF, and you can see we have a good rejection from the bank level, and this could be your buying chance. Okay, so at next you can see AUD JPY. It is already bounced back from the bank level, and you can see this is the selling level for us. Okay, if we go to the next pairs, just a second. So sometimes this indicator get bits heavy on the screen. Okay, look, CAD JPY pumped up. So if we go back, go to the next. Okay, so what I was saying, this indicator never repaints here. You can see when the bullish candle breaks that level, there is no repainting. The level is fixed here. It has gone nowhere. So this is the quality of this indicator. Okay, so for example, look at here. Even the candle pushed below the green level, but can you see any repainting? No, there is no repainting. So we always use it with the proper care. Like until unless we do not see a bullish candle that is coming back from these green areas, we do not take our trade. Okay, so right now if you ask me, this level is not valid anymore. Okay, so if you are going to use this indicator with the proper caution. Okay, so for example, look, this is the bank selling order level. Okay, if you get a bearish candle from here, then it becomes your selling entry. So this is the best thing that indicator can provide you. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, you can see here that we have a stop loss case. The market pumped up, and then the bearish candle went down. But again, I will say, like I have explained you, that the bank levels are very key levels. For example, look at this one on Euro CHF. Sorry, you can see on Euro CHF, you can see we have a bullish candle from the bank level, so you can take your chance. Okay, so this is how, if you are going to use this indicator from the key levels that are very important, not just from the dotted lines. If you're very good in scalping, then definitely you can manage very well, because these dotted lines are working very nicely, and these dotted lines never repaint. So for example, look at Great Britain Pound USD 5-minute. You can see the price is going up after touching the green level, so that's a good scalping chance. Okay, so similarly, no need to take the trade when the market is breaking it with the bullish candle. There is no need to trade. However, you can trade from the bank levels. So the main concept behind this idea is that this is the main indicator from the key level, so you can also trade that one. So if you are interested in booking the lifetime version of this indicator, you can contact on Telegram, WhatsApp. The links are provided in the description of this video below, and this indicator supports everything on TradingView. I mean, this is not a time dependent indicator. If you are trading Tesla, stocks, crypto, forex, anything like S&P 500, ES, NQ, it will be working on everything. So guys, what do you think about this indicator? Let me know, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please enjoy your day. Thank you very much.